Sup germaphobes, thought I'd drop some tips on you real quick. This is how you can mount a PCB at a right angle sturdily and reliably. There's two ways. You can either buy these, I'll put a picture of the product later in another post or in the link. Whoop, there it goes. And the other way is to cut yourself some trash metal. I think there's thin 10 that would match this. This is trash banding. You got to use these to do it. But anyways, you cut it to the right length, drill a hole big enough for your pot on one side and screw it into the PCB on the other side, and you've got a rather attractive solution. So let me do a close-up of the other method. So hopefully that'll help you guys out with a couple problems.